In today's lesson, we are going to be talking about our target skill, sequence of events. When we are talking about the sequence of events, we are able to recall or tell things that happen in chronological order. That means we will say, first, this happened, then this happened, and last, this happened. So we are able to tell the order or sequence of the events that happened. We are going to complete a short writing activity in our reader's notebook, and also we get to do some coloring. So let's get started. As I said before, the sequence of events is the order of events in a selection. In many selections or stories, the events are told in time order. We think of what happens first, next, and last. You can use a flowchart to tell the order in which the events happen. For today's lesson, we are going to be using page 51 in our reader's notebook. We will be telling the order of events. The order of events we are drawing for is what we do to get ready for school. The directions tell us to draw pictures to show what you did to get ready for school today. Then, write sentence about what you did to get ready for school today. Before we begin writing or drawing, I want you to think about 3 things that you did to get ready for school today. What did you do first? What is something that you did after that? And what was the last step that you took to get ready for school? You can take a few minutes to think of your answers. If you would like some more time to think about what you are going to write about and draw about, you can go ahead and pause the video. When you are ready to begin drawing, you can just press play. I think that I am ready to get started. Let's see. I'm going to begin with drawing my pictures for what I did to get ready for school today. I'm going to think, what is the first thing I did to begin getting ready? Well, the first thing I did was wake up. I woke up out of bed. So in my picture, I'm going to draw a bed, my pillows, and my blanket, and then I'll draw myself down here. I woke up and I got out of bed. And if you are starting your drawing, you can use colored pencils, and you can use crayons if you would like to color, or if you just want to use your pencil, hey, that's okay too. So right now, I am drawing the first thing that I did. So if you did something else to start your day, you can go ahead and start drawing that picture. And please remember, pause the video as you need to work through the video. So there is me. I woke up. So there's my bed. There's me getting out of bed. Let's see. The next thing I did. So first I woke up. Next, I got dressed. That's what I did next. I'll leave it. I was going to make my marker a little bit bigger. So I am going to draw my closet with some of my clothes. So I'm going to draw some hangers. And my clothes. Let's see, I have some overalls. I also have some pants in my closet. And they don't have to be perfect, that's okay. And let's see, I'll draw one more item. I'll draw a sweater. And then I'm just going to draw myself picking out my overalls. Alright, and there's my hair and my pajamas. Okay, so first I woke up. Next, I got dressed, and let's see, after I got dressed, I believe I just packed my bag. So I'm going to draw my black bag that I bring with me to school. And after that, I am all ready for school. So as you're watching this video, if you're working on your pictures for how you got ready for school today, once you are done, then we are going to write our sentences. So I finished my pictures. I am ready to begin writing my sentences. If you would like to follow along with me and you are still working on your pictures, now's a good time to just press pause on the video. And when you press play, you'll be ready to write with me. Alright, so now I am going to begin writing my sentences. So I drew my pictures to show what I did to get ready for school. Now I am going to write my sentences that go along with my pictures. In my first picture, I drew myself waking up out of bed. In my sentences, it starts with first, next, last. So I'm going to tell the sequence of events of the order that I got ready for school. For my sentence, I'm going to say first, I woke up. I need to make sure I put a period at the end of each of my sentences. First, I woke up. And that goes with my picture. Next, let's see, what did I do next? I went to my closet and I picked out my outfit. So I'm going to say next, I got dressed. Next, I got dressed. And for your sequence of events, if you had a different sequence that you did, like first if you ate breakfast and then you brushed your teeth and last rode the bus, then you will draw your pictures and write your sentences to show that. I'm just showing you my sequence of events that I did. First, I woke up. Next, I got dressed. And last, let's see, after I was dressed, I packed my black backpack. For my last sentence, I'm going to say last, I packed we go. Packed my bag. And my period at the end of my sentence. And this shows my order of events that I did this morning to get ready for school. I would imagine that most of us start our mornings in some ways that are the same. On the screen, I may have used some of the words that you would need help spelling. If you get on a word and you forget how to spell it or you're not very sure, try to sound it out and spell it yourself. You can also ask for help at home if you have someone who can help you spell that word. But try to listen to all of the letter sounds that that word says and see if you can spell it on your own. This was my order of events. Now again, everyone may do something different in the morning to get ready for school. So think about your morning and the order of events that took place. Think what happened first, what happened next, and then what happened last. So here is my example on the screen. I drew my pictures. And you can just use your pencil. If you would like to color, you can also do that. And then I wrote my sentences to match each of my squares. So this is my first picture, my second picture, and my third picture. This is your first sentence, your second sentence, and your third sentence. So every picture should match its sentence. I am so excited to see everybody's order of events. If you have any questions about this assignment, please just let me know and I'll be able to help you. If you need to rewind the video or pause it again, you can also do that. I am so excited to see everybody's drawing and sentences during our next morning meeting. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you later. Next, we are going to read our decodable, Fun with Graham. If you are still working on your previous activity, you can go ahead and pause the video now. If you are ready to begin reading, then let's get started. In our decodable today, I want you to be looking for words that have OA and OW in them. These letter sounds together say the long O sound. Also be on the lookout for any contractions. See if you can decide what two words make up that contraction. Let's get started. Joan can't wait to go to Graham's. She knows it will be fun. So far, they've cut rows of paper dolls. What's next? On our first page, I saw 3 different contractions. The word can't. Do you remember what the word can't is a contraction for? Can't. It is a contraction for cannot. They've. This is a new one. So far, they've cut rows of paper dolls. They've is a contraction for they have. The apostrophe takes place of the HA in have. They've. They have cut. The last contraction I see on this page is the word what's. What's is a contraction for what is. What's next? What is next? Look for more contractions throughout our story and see if you can tell what they are a contraction for. Graham and Joan have a nice snack. Then Graham has a plan. Let's go, she tells Joan. I know where we can have fun. Oh, where do you think Graham and Joan are going to go? Let's see if we're right. Graham shows Joan a huge oak trunk. It's loaded with things. Joan sees coats and hats and a dress. A trunk can be used to store items. It's almost like a storage bin that you put things in to keep them away. Grandma's trunk was filled with clothes. Joan says she sees coats and hats and a dress. Graham, she asks, where did you get this green silk dress? It's from Pop's. Put it on. Graham and Joan laugh. Graham's green dress is so soft. The silk floats around Joan. Graham's face glows. Joan looks nice. In this sentence, it says, Graham's face glows. This is an expression. We don't see Graham's face glowing like a light bulb. When somebody's face glows, or somebody says they are glowing, that can mean they are very happy or smiling. Joan takes off the dress. Then she sees a green silk hat. She puts it on. It fits. Mom and Rob come in. Graham tells Rob to see what Pops left in the trunk. Rob sees a big tan hat and a gray vest. Do you think Rob is going to do anything with these items? Let's see. We're playing dress up. Joan and Rob laugh. When we're at Graham's, we know we'll have fun. Now that we have finished our activity and our decodable, we are all done with our reading lesson for today. I am so excited to see your order of events activity. I will be looking at them during our next morning meeting. If you have any questions about anything we went over or learned today, please let me know. I will see you later.